Positioned on approximately 2.5 acres of north-facing land in peaceful McLeans ridges and revealing elevated views to the Nightcap Ranges, this large family home provides the perfect blend of town convenience and rural lifestyle. Beautifully renovated throughout and featuring a stylish split-level design, the sunken living and dining areas feature exposed white brick walls, soaring high-raked ceilings, and wonderful natural light filtered through highlight windows. Separating the two main living areas is a modern kitchen, boasting quality appliances, gas cooking, dishwasher, and great storage. 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms complete the home and provide ample space for a family, with the master bedroom boasting a contemporary ensuite. Enjoy glistening sunsets over the mountains from the home's rear deck, or a dip in the sun-drenched swimming pool with surrounding deck area. The lifestyle acreage has been beautifully landscaped with flowering native trees mixing with a range of fruit trees. This stunning property offers a peaceful rural escape just minutes from the convenience of Goonellabah Shopping Centre. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.